Sixth graders, so yesterday in class for Mr. Richards, you were working on some vocab words. So you used note cards right here, something like this, to create flashcards to help you um, define and understand what the vocab words mean. Today, when you go into your module, you're going to see something similar along the same lines of the vocab words. Now, it's going to be feeling kind of weird, like, hey, we're doing this again, right? But this time we're going to actually apply the words and see how they were used in sentences within the concepts of our learning targets with our government unit. Before I get into the understanding of how to do this, I got a little joke for you. And it might not really be a joke, but yesterday I got hit in the head with a soda can. Luckily, it was a soft drink. Get it? Like soft drink because of soft. All right. So again, if you have any good jokes, pass them my way. I usually have some bad dad jokes anyway. So today what you're going to do is you're continue working with these vocab words, these 10 words. Step number 1 says download Word Gaps doc to Notability. So you're going to tap on this link. This link will bring you to a document that looks like this. It is What is Civics Word Gaps? And this will tell you kind of steps on how to use it. There's some directions right here. You'll see some text with the words within the paragraph, within the sentences to help you understand how these words actually relate to our government unit. And over to the right here is where you're going to kind of write in the definitions. So you'll notice there are multiple pages, all right? You'll also notice there are some blanks here with bullet points. What do we do with that, I wonder? Well, I have something here for you. There's a video. It says finish the word gap. So after you have it downloaded, you're going to start working on it. Tap on this video right here. It says watch video. Tap here. This video will take you step by step how to complete this assignment. All you have to do is tap play and go back and forth between this video and Notability. If you want to split screen, if that helps you, you can do that. But this video will help you go step by step how to fill this document out. It almost really does it for you in a way. All you have to do is kind of put in some effort to really understand how these words relate to our civics unit. Once you're finished with what the video is asking you to do, so if you have any questions at all, how do I do this? How do I do this? Watch the video. The video will tell you all your answers. If that means you have to rewatch the video, rewatch the video. If you come up and you're like, I don't know what to do, it's probably because you haven't watched this video that you are seeing right here with the word gaps that you tapped on right here where it says watch video. Once you have this word gaps document done, you are going to turn it into this assignment. This assignment is called Government Word Gaps Turn In. You can tap here to go to that assignment. Otherwise, it shows up in Mr. Richards' assignments, or it should. If you have any problems at all, you can email me directly, steve.newman, Newman, at wayzataschools.com. I would be more than happy to help you out. I could even send you a Zoom link where you could come and visit me during office hours and I could walk you through any questions you might have. So please take your time on this. Again, the purpose here is to understand not just how to define these words, but how do they apply with our federalism and citizenship target sheet. Again, if you have any questions at all, please email me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I'll give you a link to my office hours where you can come and ask me those questions directly. All right, I hope you have a good day. Enjoy learning more about civics. It's a wonderful topic to learn about.